this is Maria. I'm going to show you how to make this daily spread using Goodnotes5 and stickers only. So this is the 2019 DigiBujo by Jenny Gollan Designs. She does have a new one coming out for the following year. More details to come. If you click the arrow at the bottom of your YouTube, bottom right, there's a little arrow. You can see all of the products that I'm using and links to all of Jenny's pages. So anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to tap my screen to get my row across the top, and I'm going to click my three dots, clear the page, and we're going to start from scratch. This is a daily page, June 21st in this case, and I'm going to bring in my photos this way. This is how I store mine. I have them in an album all together, and I'm going to just grab a watercolor paper. These all come together, and I'm just going to fit it to size in my daily. Okay. If you hear heavy breathing, that's my cat sitting next to me. That's not me. Okay, so I'm going to go to my lasso tool, make sure images is turned on, lasso, copy, touch, and paste, and now I have two of those, and just drop it into place. Now I'm going to pick a daily. Let's see, we could pick one of these. Those are real pretty, but the flowers don't quite match the color. Let's see. I think I want the lilac ones. There we go. So I'm looking for Friday in the lilac, this sheet. So I'm going to grab and drag it over. Tap and crop. And then we'll drop that one into place. There we go. Now, these stickers here came, not that one, this one and this one, came with the So Simple planner that, actually I've got it open here. It looks like this. It's meant to go the other way on your iPad. It is, I might start working on this one. It's kind of cool. Fill in the blanks. You get weekly, linked weeklies. And copy paste type dailies. It's just really, really handy. You get 3 blank links in every month, and then you've got links across the top that you can make whatever you want as categories, and they have 6 links within them. So this is really, I might actually start using this one. But anyway, these stickers came with the So Simple planner, and I'm going to be using the stickers. So let's see, I want the list, so I'm going to grab that over, tap and crop, and I'll take the green one. Okay. If I forget what I'm looking at, you can go back this, make it big, so you make the images big so you can see them. And then just, they have to be in this format in order to drag them over. Tap and crop. Okay. Tap and crop. that one. So that my coffee cup can sit on top. Now if you find that you're running into another sticker, use freehand instead and just draw it out. Okay. Long press and edit lets you move things. I'm going to move this little heart one. There we go. I can't use the lasso because well, I'll show you, if I use lasso with images turned on and I'm trying to move the cup, it's going to move everything. Okay, and we don't want to do that. So that's why long press and edit works better for that. Alright, so let's get a pretty flower. Tap and crop. I want rectangle. I want the dark blue. For some decoration. Tap and crop. And we'll get this one. For some decoration on the other side. Okay. Back to this one. Tap and crop. One more time. And we'll go on the other side so we can form a little, almost like a little heart. Okay, that is it for stickers. Now I'm going to go to my text tool. I've got Bouncy Calligraphy set at font 24. That's just a font a size I like. It's already set as a default. I'm going to assign this. You can find me on Instagram. And of course you already found me on YouTube. And let's see, one more thing. Let's see, this Friday, I kind of don't like the word in black, so we're going to fix that. I'm going to long press and edit and crop. And I'm going to crop out that Friday. Okay, now that changed my sizing a little bit. It's okay, we'll fix that. Okay, I'm going to use that text tool, make that font bigger. We'll see if that's big enough. We'll type in Friday in white. Just stands out nicer, I think. And I'm going to click my lasso, turn images off, because I don't want to move the whole thing, but I do want to make that a little bigger. Okay, now I can, let's go with a dark blue. And there's my Friday, ready to work. Thanks for watching.